Okay guys, I'm in the Google Play Store and I'll put up this app. The name of this app is Cashify Rewards Make Money. And as you can see here, they have only 5,000 downloads. So this is a fairly new app, guys. Now, what is Cashify Rewards Make Money app? So this app allows you to earn free gift cards and rewards for your everyday habits. So you can earn money and gift cards in minutes. So you can earn gift cards from playing games, filling out surveys, and much more. So what you're going to be doing, guys, you're going to be doing tasks like solving captures. And also you're going to spin the wheel of fortune and scratch off cards. So all those ways you can make money on this app. So to earn free gift cards, you need to get the most coins. So accumulate coins while you play to earn the gift cards and rewards. Now they do have a referral system. So all you have to do is just refer your friends and you can get paid that way. And again, the rewards are gift cards like Google Play gift cards and also PayPal money. So if you don't have a PayPal account, you can sign up at paypal.com. It only takes a few minutes to sign up. Now here's some of the app's features. So play games, make money, daily rewards, scratch card game, spin fortune wheel game, fill surveys and earn money. They have an offer wall and tasks to make cash, reward system, referral system, and they do have amazing support 24/7, guys. So anytime you have any questions about this app, you just go ahead and contact the support team. And games you're going to be playing is like lucky cards and, like I said earlier, the Wheel of Fortune. Now let's look at the ratings and reviews. So out of 5 stars, this one is 3.8. Now I always say any app that's 4.0 stars or more is a very good app, but this is close to 4.0. It's just 3.8, not too far away from 4.0. So it's still a good app, guys. Plus it's haven't been around that long, so once more people start using it, the rating will go up. Now let me just look at one review here. So this one person says, this game easy to earn coins and I hope easy to earn cash. So they say it's very easy to earn coins, and I guess they're saying they haven't got paid yet, but they seem like they like this app. Okay guys, that's all I'm going to say about this app. Again, this is a fairly new app, so I think you ought to check this app out and see if you can earn some money. It seems like it's very simple. The games are very simple, and they have a lot of different ways to make money on here. So I suggest you check it out. So again, go to Cashify in the Google Play Store. Thank you for watching this video all the way to the very end. Before you click away, don't forget to hit that like button for me. And drop a comment down below if you have any questions about this app. And please share this video all around the internet, because I really want to help everybody I can to make money online and become financially free. And last but not least, please hit that subscribe button and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop. Okay guys, one last thing I want to mention before I end this video. Are you having trouble manifesting money in your life? Well, I have an ebook that you can download right now that will help you manifest fast with numbers. All you have to do is just click on the link where it says click here to manifest with numbers fast, and you can find that in the description or in the comments. Alright guys, thank you, really appreciate it. Road to 9,000. Let's go, let's get it. And on that note, get your grind on, because the grind is real. Please go check out these other videos. Until my next one come out. Peace and have a prosperous day.